Hey makers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm counting down 15 woodworking game changers, tools, and attachments that help you work smarter, not harder. Every link is down in the description, so you can check them out. Number 1. Meet the Kreg Panel Carrier, your new best friend in the workshop. Designed for serious DIY ears and pros alike, this premium home improvement tool makes moving large sheets effortless. Whether it's plywood, MDF, or drywall, you can carry up to 100 pounds with just one hand. No more awkward lifting or strained backs. Its ergonomic grip and heavy-duty design let you transport full 4x8 panels up to 3/4 inch thick, securely and safely. The smart clamping mechanism holds materials tight without damaging the edges, making it perfect for solo projects or tight spaces. This isn't just a carrier, it's a confidence booster. Say goodbye to wrestling with bulky boards and hello to smoother, safer workflows. If you're serious about woodworking, the Kreg Panel Carrier is a must-have upgrade that turns heavy lifting into a one-handed breeze. Number 2. Precision meets speed with the Eonosic setup blocks. A 15-piece aluminum gauge set designed to make your woodworking setup faster, easier, and more accurate. Whether you're adjusting router bits, table saw blades, or fence height, these blocks eliminate the guesswork and outperform traditional rulers. Each block is 3 inches long and laser engraved with easy-to-read size markings, ranging from 1/16 to 3/4 inch, plus a versatile 1x2 by 3 inch block. Stack them to create hundreds of measurement combinations, or use them individually for quick, repeatable setups. Crafted from solid aluminum and finished with black anodizing, they're built to last and protect your tools from wear. The included fitted case keeps everything organized and secure. No more hunting for the right size.
Number 3. Take control of your power tools hands-free with this 10 feet momentary foot switch pedal. Designed for convenience and safety, it lets you activate your tools with a simple press of the foot. Press to turn on, release to turn off. No more bending over or fumbling with switches. The UL-certified 3-prong piggyback plug makes setup a breeze. Just plug it in and go. Its heavy-duty 18 Reuben Florence cord resists tangling and stays flexible, while the non-slip rubber grommets keep the pedal firmly in place, even on slick workshop floors. Built with a smooth pivot design and stable 3-point support, it reduces foot fatigue and responds reliably, even when pressed off-center. Whether you're sanding, grinding, or routing, this foot switch adds a layer of control and comfort that transforms your workflow. Number 4. Say hello to faster, stronger woodworking joints with the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro, the ultimate tool for effortless pocket hole joinery. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or frames, this jig makes it simple. Drill, drive, and you're done. Designed for materials from 1/2 to 1.5 inch thick, it's perfect for most DIY and home improvement projects. The 720 Pro features Kreg's most advanced clamping system yet, automatically adjusting to your material and locking it in place with a secure, anti-slip surface. No more guesswork, no more shifting. Just clean, tight joints every time. It even comes with durable Kreg screws, so you're ready to build right out of the box. If you want reliable results and lightning-fast setups, the 720 Pro is your go-to jig. Number 5. Installing doors just got easier and safer with the AOANS free solid steel door clamp. Built for high holding capacity, it grips doors up to 2.56 inches wide with rock-solid stability, making solo installations smoother than ever. Crafted from solid steel, this clamp is built to last through heavy-duty use. Adjustable feet let you fine-tune the position for a perfect fit, while felt-covered jaws protect your door's finish from scratches and dents. The tread plate design makes operation effortless. Just step, clamp, and go. Plus, it comes with a 1.5 inch door lifter, giving you extra leverage and control when aligning hinges or leveling the door. Whether you're a pro installer or a DIY enthusiast, this tool turns a two-person job into a one-person breeze. Number 6. Precision marking meets rugged design with the NIC Pro Carpenter Pencil Set, a must-have for builders, woodworkers, and DIY pros. This complete kit includes 2 solid Carpenter pencils, 26 thick 2.8mm refills, a built-in sharpener, and a compact storage box to keep everything organized. The deep hole marker pencil features a 45mm elongated tip, perfect for reaching tight spots and marking inside holes where regular pencils can't go. The integrated sharpener screws into the top, so it's always within reach. No more lost sharpeners on the job site. With stronger, thicker lead, these pencils resist breaking and deliver smooth, accurate lines on wood, metal, plastic, and more. Available in 3 colors, they're ideal for marking different materials or stages of your project. Number 7. Get a grip on your next project with the WorkPro Bar Clamps, a versatile 6-pack designed for one-handed clamping and spreading. With 4 6-inch and 2 12-inch clamps, this set delivers up to 150 pounds of clamping force, perfect for woodworking, repairs, and DIY builds. Built tough with reinforced nylon bodies and hardened steel bars, these clamps are impact-resistant and ready for heavy use. The quick change button transforms each clamp into a spreader in seconds. Just pop the jaw off, reverse it, and you're good to go. Non-marring pads protect your work surface while enhancing grip, and the ergonomic handle with a quick release latch makes adjustments smooth and comfortable. Whether you're gluing panels or holding parts in place, these clamps stay secure and easy to use. Number 8. Meet the Works clamping sawhorses. Lightweight, rugged, and built to hold your biggest projects steady. Each sawhorse weighs just 4 pounds, but together they support up to 1,000 pounds. And thanks to custom-made bar clamps, you get up to 300 pounds of clamping force, vertically or horizontally. These clamps act like a second pair of strong hands, letting you tackle large builds solo. Need to move your project? The clamps detach, so you can take that pressure wherever it's needed. Made from tough ABS and steel, these sawhorses are built to last. Plus, the integrated bottom shelf gives you extra storage for tools, power strips, or supplies, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Whether you're cutting, gluing, or assembling, Works gives you the strength, flexibility, and portability to do it better. Number 9. Make long, awkward cuts a breeze with the WorkPro Folding Roller Stand, a heavy-duty helper built for precision and stability. With a 250 pounds load capacity, it supports everything from hefty lumber to sheet goods, keeping your work steady and aligned. Adjustable from 27 to 43 inches, it matches the height of your saw, planer, or workbench perfectly. Highly visible edge guides keep your material on track, reducing slips and miscuts. And thanks to its eccentric foot design, it stays stable even on uneven shop floors. Lightweight yet sturdy, this stand folds flat for easy storage or transport, making it perfect for small workshops or job sites. Whether you're working solo or need extra support for oversized pieces, the WorkPro Roller Stand gives you the control, height flexibility, and portability your projects demand. Number 10. Upgrade your cutting game with the Recon M1 Caliber, the smart measuring tool that eliminates the need for a tape measure and pencil. This fully integrated, patent-pending device clamps to almost any miter, chop, cut-off, or vertical bandsaw fence, instantly displaying precise measurements on a large, backlit LCD screen. Just slide your material under the wheel, read the measurement in inches or millimeters, and cut up to 3 times faster than traditional methods. Compatible with both flat and round stock, it's perfect for miter, bevel, compound, and straight cuts on everything from lumber to composites to pipe. By centralizing all measuring at the saw, the M1 increases speed, accuracy, and safety. No more stepping away or juggling tools. Quick to set up and simple to use, it's a game changer for pros and DIYers alike. Number 11. Take the guesswork out of joinery with the Bora Automatic Pocket Hole Jig, a complete kit for creating strong, precise joints every time. It comes with the benchtop jig and 50 color-coded screws, giving you everything you need for professional quality woodworking projects. Its self-calibrating design automatically adjusts to material thickness from 1/2 to 1.5 inch, eliminating tedious measuring and setup. Just place your workpiece, clamp, and drill. It's that simple. The built-in color-coded screw system makes matching screw size to material thickness effortless, while the anti-corrosive coating ensures long-lasting strength. A handy screw chart is printed right on the jig for quick reference. Engineered for durability and precision, the Bora Auto Jig streamlines your workflow and delivers dependable results, project after project. Number 12. Say goodbye to the tug-of-war of bar clamping miters. The Woodpeckers MCT150P miter clamping tool delivers precision without the frustration. Instead of forcing 45 degrees joints to slide against each other, it directs pressure straight across the miter, pulling the joint together for a perfect fit every time. These clever clamps work with any stock width, from delicate cove molding to oversized picture frames, without the limitations of specialized one-size tools. Simply clamp one tool to each workpiece, then use a third clamp across the joint via the built-in Vise sections for perfectly aligned pressure. Crafted from durable, lightweight aluminum with ribbed reinforcement, they're strong yet gentle, thanks to ridge-textured faces that grip without marring your work. The anodized finish resists adhesives and finishes, ensuring a lifetime of reliable use. Number 13. Straight, tight decking has never been easier. Meet the Ensaga Deck Board Bender, your all-steel solution for conquering warped and bowed boards. Built for strength and durability, this heavy-duty tool features an enhanced lever design and a welded hex nut that works with a ratchet to speed up your installation. With an adjustable range of up to 2.7 inches, 70 millimeters, it fits a variety of joist sizes, making it perfect for terraces, stairs, and wood decking projects of all kinds. The smart locking design holds boards firmly in place, freeing both hands for nailing or screwing, so you can work faster and with greater precision. Lightweight and portable at just 10.6 by 4.4 inch, it requires no assembly, ready to go right out of the box. Number 14. Unleash your creativity with the Palmsari 3-piece upgraded wood grinder ball gouge set, the ultimate 3-in-1 power carving solution for shaping, hollowing, and slotting wood. Designed for 4.5 and 5-inch angle grinders with a standard 5/8 11 thread, these attachments screw on effortlessly. No adapters, no fuss. Each sphere-shaped rotary burr is crafted from premium carbon-enhanced steel for maximum hardness, durability, and long-lasting performance. The precision burr design delivers exceptional stability, reducing vibration and bounce while preserving a smooth surface finish. Perfect for carving bowls, spoons, tree faces, and other wooden art, these tools work best with controlled pressure and with the grain. Start by outlining your shape, clear the center, then finish with a finer disc for detail. Easy to clean with a soft wire brush or flame, they outperform sandpaper pads for speed and longevity. Number 15. Meet the ARKNOAH Heavy-Duty MultiMaterial Workbench Vise, the universal clamping solution for projects big, small, and uniquely shaped. From wood and plastic to metal and resin models, it grips them all with Vise-level stability and precision. Crafted from industrial-grade aluminum, 304 stainless steel screws, and brass joints, this vise is built to resist corrosion and perform for decades. Its precision jaws adjust within 0.1 millimeters, giving you total control for delicate repairs or demanding builds. Installation is lightning fast. Mounted to any bench in under 30 seconds, no tools required. The patented fractal grip design and 300-pound load capacity keep your work locked in place without a hint of slip. Compact yet powerful, it doubles as a heavy-duty clamp for glue-ups and a precision vise for micro-fixes, making it two essential tools in one.